Can I go? Okay. No, don't take my shirt off. Look at Dad. Oh, Judy, you're not being nice. Hey Judy, it's Allison. Wow, I can't even believe it. You're retiring from Nicholas Valley. I'm so excited for you. My entire childhood is filled with memories from you in school and out of school, and I don't even know like where to begin to put them in order of ones that are the most memorable, because there are so many. I have to say probably my favorite play was Peter Pan, the very first one. I had so much fun being a twin lost boy, seeing The Wizard of Oz and Annie. And Annie Get Your Gun, and just like seeing the sets come alive and building them with you and painting backdrops and learning the songs and the choreography. Totally changed who I am, because I know how shy I was in elementary school. I did plays, and I did that because of you, and for that I'm grateful. The science club, the talent shows, singing in choirs, I remember all of them. It just blows my mind, the amount of time and dedication that you put into all of these activities for us, for the kids, for all the students. A funny memory that I have that I always think about is whenever I hear the song I Can Go the Distance from Hercules, I totally remember coming downstairs when we were at your house and you were sitting in front of your CD player and listening to that song over and over and over and over and over again, trying to figure out what the lyrics were, because you sat and hand wrote every single word to that song so that we could sing it, and we went and sang it and learned it and performed it in front of the school. I think it was on a Friday assembly. I still, to this day, think of you and writing those words. What a labor of love, and that you did it all even before, you know, internet and just being able to search stuff. I just want to say, Judy, without crying, how much you mean to me, and how much you have influenced me and made me a better person and more outgoing, and just we're there in school, definitely all those memories, but outside of school too, being a part of your family. I'm so excited for you and can't wait to hear all about your adventures in Hawaii, and maybe I'll have to come visit you sometime. But I hope that my kids have a teacher like you in their early years, and to get them to do amazing things. But just want you to know how much I love and appreciate you. Good luck, Judy.